Hey friends, if you encounter the error with the error code 0x80070216 on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So first of all, we have a script for you. And this script is to reset Windows Update components. Now I'll tell you what it does. But first of all, let us run this script. Copy this script. It's in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste the script here. It will stop all services associated with Windows updates. Then it will delete the Windows update profile. Then it will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat root to folders. Then it will re-register all the DLLs. Then it will reset WinSock and restart the services associated with Windows updates. And that will fix the problem in 90% of the cases. But if that does not, then you can run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and solve them if possible. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.